To install the jack mount kit on your Polaris XPEDITION, follow these steps. Start by parking the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure it is in park and remove the key. Before installing the brackets, decide on the orientation that would best suit your needs. The bracket can be installed at the side or rear of the platform. Next, align the length of your high lift jack for best fit and positioning. Then, slide the two brackets into the platform into their desired position and adjust if needed. Next, open both brackets and place your high lift jack in place and secure latches. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.